My name is Rebecca Ray, and we're here to talk about jewelry today. I'm going to show you how to take some of your old pieces that you never wear, and you're going to fix it up and redesign it into something that you will wear. Just like this bracelet that I have. I love this bracelet. It's one of my favorites. It's an absolute favorite of mine, but it's very bulky, and when I wear it, it gets in everything. So we're going to take this and I'm going to make it into a necklace, something that I'll wear all the time because I love this metal tassel. So I'm going to show you how to take an old bracelet and make it into a necklace. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here we are with the bracelet, and we have our necklace, our chain that I got at the hobby store. I like to go to Hobby Lobby and pick up the findings so they all match the same color. And you can sometimes find these for 50% off, which is really good because then you can really stock up on your supply. So we're going to use the chain and we're going to use the findings and incorporate it with our bracelet. And also you're going to need tools. I picked these tools up at the hobby store. Needle nose pliers are great. Make sure that they have a spring in them so that you can use them and grip them easily. And also you will need rosary pliers, and these have a cutter, a wire cutting on them so that you can take and cut your metals, because you'll need that when you work with metal pieces. So we'll go ahead and get started on making our necklace. Now we are here with our piece, and I have the chain that I am going to make. I'm going to cut the chain so that we can add it to this, and it's going to equal 18 inches. So this here is 7 inches. I've measured this. This is 7 inches, and then I'm going to add 11 inches of chain. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to cut that. So now here I have the rings from the hobby store, and I have the tassel and the bracelet and the chain. And so what we're going to do is we're going to remove the ring that was on there that had the tassel on it. And when you use your rings, by the way, you will always want to bend them away like this. Okay, and you're going to connect it onto here and connect this, the end of the chain, and then when you are going to bend it back just like you opened it. Okay, so here we have our chain here. Okay, and we'll do the other side the same way. Okay, and we'll remove this. This is the old chain. We're going to reuse this at the top when we do the clasp for the extension. Okay, and put this on here and connect it to the other end, and then close it up. Oops. Make sure you get it closed tightly. Okay, and so this, you have your necklace. And then we are going to take and measure this. I just do it in half like that. So that's the center. This is where I'm going to put the tassel, right in the center. Okay, so I'm going to take another ring and open it up. Take this, whoops, make sure you get it even. Right in the middle, so that it hangs right in the middle. Okay, so this is the end piece here. It looks quite different from the bracelet. And then we're going to take this, and I kind of cheat. I take it all the way up. This is where those wire cutters come in handy. Okay, and then this is where you're going to put your clasp. I'm going to take this and another ring. And we're going to take this other ring and we're going to put it here on one end with those little pieces from before. And this is what's going to be my extender, so I can use it when I want to adjust how I want my necklace to hang. So here we're going to actually put on the clasp here. Okay. And bring it, close it. And actually I used a smaller ring from what I had taken out because this ring was too big. So I used a smaller ring. Okay. And so you want to check your clasp always, because it's the plating. So you just kind of work it out there. Here's the finished product. As you can see, it looks nothing like the bracelet that I had before. Here I am wearing my finished product. I'm very excited, and I'm getting ready to go out tonight and wear it, so we'll see you later.